Hey everyone, welcome back to Master J Skills. Today we are going to dive into the series of collection framework of a Java collection framework hierarchy. Let's get started. So here you can see that the root interface is an iterable which is extended by the collection and which again divided into three, that is set, queue and list. Java Collection Framework is a set of classes and interfaces that provides an organized way to work with the collections of objects. Here, the collections can be thought of as a container that holds a group of related objects. The Java Collection Framework has a hierarchy that starts with a collection interface, which is a root of hierarchy, which extends a iterable. The collection interface has three different sub interfaces, that is set, queue, and list. The list interface extends a collection and provides an ordered collection of elements where duplicates are allowed. The set interface also extends a collection but does not allow duplicates. The queue interface represents a collection designed for holding elements prior to processing and order elements in first out manner, that is FIFO or manner. Here you can see the map is not a part of collection interface. Though the map interface is a separate branch in the hierarchy which maps a key to values, the map interface does not extend the collection interface, but it is an important part of collection framework. So now let's see the implementation of each of these interfaces. Collection implementation. So the list interface has a three main implementation: array list, linked list and vector. Array list is the most commonly used implementation and it stores elements in an array. Linked list stores the elements as a linked list, while vector is similar to array list but it is synchronized, which means it's a thread safe. We will look into each of these implementation with its interface in later these series. The set interface also has a three main implementation, that is hash set, linked hash set and tree set. The hash set is the most commonly used implementation and stores elements in the hash table. Linked set maintains the order of insertion while tree set sorts the elements in natural order. So now let's see the map implementation. The map interface has a three main implementation, that is hash map, linked hash map and tree map. Hash map is the most commonly used implementation and stores the key value pairs in the hash table. Linked hash map maintains the order of insertion while tree map sorts the keys in natural order. Basically, the collection interface has a three different interfaces, that is the set, list and queue. So you can see set is an interface where it is implemented by the hash set, which in turn implemented by the linked hash set. So linked hash set is a child and hash set is a parent class. So these two are classes which is implementing a set interface. If we see the tree set is a class which is implementing navigable set, which in turn implementing an interface sorted set and to the parent set interface. So if we see the list interface, which is implementing array list is implementing list interface, the vector implementing stack to the parent list interface. Even the list is implemented by the linked list, where it is implemented by even queue and priority queue also implementing queue interface. So this is overall hierarchy of collection framework. And if we look map, so map is an interface which is implemented by the properties and hash table. These two are legacy classes. And if we see here, linked hash map and hash map is two classes which are implementing a map interface, and the tree map to the navigable map and sorted map to the map implementation. These two are interfaces. Sorted map and navigable map are interfaces and tree map is a class. So if we observe, this basically looks like a set interface. You can see set, hash set, linked hash set, sorted set, navigable set and tree set. If we look into the map interface, you can see hash table properties. So these are legacy classes, whereas if we compare to the hash set, it looks similarly. So that's all. That's a brief overview of a collection framework hierarchy. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it informative and helpful. If you want to learn more about Java collection framework, be sure to check out my playlist of a Java collection tutorial. by clicking in the link description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to more such great content. And if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up. And thanks again for watching. And I'll see you in the next video.